Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Curiosity Box, and this video we are unboxing the February 2018 Boot Box Club, and as you can see the theme for February is Into Dystopia, so let's dive into the box. So the first thing I got is a pack of loose tea, and it's called Dauntless Tea, a fiery lemon, ginger and lemongrass caffeine-free infusion. So that sounds quite an interesting flavour tea. So that looks cool. Then we have a notepad for your fridge, and it's supplies to stay alive. This list has been sponsored by Bread and Jam, purveyors of happy. So you can put that on your fridge, and when you need stuff from the supermarket you can take a list with you. Then in this bag, this is cool, we have a bracelet. This bracelet has been hand stamped just for you to keep it looking lovely, polished occasionally with silver cloth. You get the little polishing cloth in the pouch, and this says no lite te bastardas carborundum. It's the Latin, I don't know if you could see it very well, but it's the Latin of don't let the bastards grind you down. That's quite funny, quite like that. That's cute. There's hand stamped little bracelet, and then you keep it in the pouch to keep it nice and shiny. And then we have some chocolate, orange zest chocolate from Knorr. Ooh, this is cool. We have a pen, and it's from the Hunger Games, and it's got a name on it. It says be the gods be ever your favourite, and it's an arrow pen. That's really cool. That's awesome. Bottom of this. And we have a postcard to advertise that book. A bookmark advertising this book. That's quite, I think that's a pack of bookmarks. So you get the little different actually. And it's all to do with that book. There we have a postcard about book. And then you get the book plate signed by the author of the book. And this is the book. And it's called Outwalkers. And it says, "You and me always, Jack. My cat's called Jack." "The border's closed," Jake said. "No one can get into Scotland, just like no one can cross the Channel. This is England and it's no longer a free country. The government can track anyone anywhere from a chip implanted at birth, but Jake has escaped from his academy orphanage and he needs to get to Scotland with his dog Jet. When the Outwalkers gang grabs him, they go off-grid while the government hunts for them. The closer they get to Scotland, the more dangerous it is, because now it's not only their own lives that are at stake." That sounds interesting. So that sounds cool. I've got a pet called Jack because I've got a cat called Jack. And then you always get the scroll with the author interview. So this is a really cool box. So I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing of the February 2018 Book Box Club. Thank you for watching. Yay!